Everyone, today we are going to discuss about software. What is software and what are the different types of software and what are the main different functions of software in a computer. We know the whole computer system is divided into two main categories. These are software and hardware. Software is a set of programs and hardware are the physical components of computer that can be seen or touched. Now we see the definition of software. Software is a set of programs used to operate computer and execute a specific task. Here we can see that software is a set of programs. But what is programs? A program is nothing but set of instructions. A program is a set of instructions that is used to operate computer and execute a specific task. Now we shall see the types of software. Software can be categorized as system software and application software. Application software. System software. System software is a set of programs that controls and manage the computer system and other application software. System software can be also categorized as operating system, language processor, utility software, device driver software, and application software. Application software is a set of programs that is designed to do a specific task. Application software can be categorized as general purpose application software, application software. First type is general purpose application software and second is a specific purpose application software. Now we shall discuss about operating system. Operating system. An operating system acts as an interface between the user and computer. Some popular operating system are DOS, disk operating system, all versions of Windows, Unix, Linux. In next class, we shall see the functions of different operating systems. Now, second is language processor. Language processor is a system software that is used to convert high level language to machine level language and vice versa. Language processor, compiler, it can be a interpreter. Language processor, compiler. First of all, we shall see the definition of compiler. A compiler is a language processor software that convert the high level language into machine level language entire program at a time, while the interpreter convert the programs line by line. So the converting speed of compiler is very fast. Now, utility software. Utility software, calculator, device driver. Device drivers, those software that are used to control the other hardware devices connected to the computer. Printers, printer driver,